All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're about to get into Philo, but today started off with what we talked about yesterday, momentum, dying, value, kind of catching a bin. But like I said, nothing's guaranteed there. You just have to be ready for that from now till the end of the year. But you're getting into big earnings. We got a bunch of post earnings, and right here was a vicious premium candle, and it was a rumor that Donald Trump will be banning exports of software to China. So I think the algos, you hear banning exports, it sounds terrible. Software is still bad, but not as bad. But this follows the theme. Don't forget, we've been talking about it. It's been easy to get distracted, but you're literally just setting the stage for the China meeting here in the next week. So I wouldn't freak out, but we talked about it. I gave you guys some call outs in terms of if you're worried, if you want a position, you had a moment to use that time. So I really hope that you did. But other than that, it is time for some philosophy. So I'm going to get that set up for you. If you are worried about the market going down and don't want to hear me talk about Jesus, then I would use this time to go somewhere else. And you are also on a delay. So make up your mind, my friends. Make up your mind. Okay. You're getting into big earnings. We got a bunch of post earnings right here. This was a premium candle, and it was a rumor that Donald Trump will be banning. What the fuck is happening? Oh, okay. Oh, dude, I wasn't even on the right video. My bad. My bad, dude. All right. Let's run it. So give me a sec. Jesus. Praise God. Amen, amen. It's a cult, baby. Hey. Yeah. If we talking plays, yeah, I'm in there like swimwear. I've been there, I've done this shit for 10 years. You could have it all, but you've been scared, big scare. Funny part, there wasn't even risk there. My thoughts been my own, yeah, I've been clear, no fear. Oh dear, who you trying to control here? My God is the weapon, I ain't boasting. Nah, it's done. Daddy said it's finished. Made me in his image, but that always made me timid. Wonder why we different, don't you ever get it twisted. It's the only way we get it, set apart from the start. And the heart isn't ours, it's a hippie with the love, but it's David with the sword. I want peace, so that means you gon' kill me if it's war. Nietzsche, Trotsky, can't beach on the ark. Want it easy or hard, want a genie or a god, then believe me, lil' bro, you a child, you a son of the highest in the bud. Don't deny it, we don't like it when they tell us who we are. I can tell you who I was, I can tell you who he is. I can make another song that's telling y'all about the crib, but for a second, keep it real. It's not the reason they will kill, it's the freedom in believing. They want death to bring the will. But I'd rather have it now, and I ain't never backing down. Lion gonna eat me or turn his ass around. Either way, I will remain up in his name and say it proud. Here, let's say it now. Jesus. I put Jesus on the beat so I can listen to it. I got reason to believe that we living in it. You could say it's one hell of a decision in it. Ay, if we talking plays, yeah, I'm in there like swimwear. I've been there, I've done this shit for 10 years. You could have it all, but you've been scared, big scare. Funny part, there wasn't even risk there. My thoughts been my own, yeah, I've been clear, no fear. Oh dear, who you try to control here? My God is the weapon, I ain't boasting. Amen.
People company, we have that's attrition. So use attrition as our friend to take people whose jobs might be changing and slot them into other jobs where they're going to continue. So as we work through this AI transition, to do it in a way which is really, really beneficial, not just for the company and our shareholders, but for the people that work here.
And Wells Fargo is going through a really interesting moment as well, having that asset cap lifted. Yeah. You recently told Fortune that restricted deposits and securities to 1.95 trillion. That caused the firm to forego an estimated 600 billion. And I'm just curious how quickly you think you'll be able to win that business back. Is that the goal?
Well, the goal is to win that back and a whole lot more. Again, we were restricted for a long period of time. when we think about the asset cap,
congratulations,
baby.
baby.
You're limited on how much you can lend. It's
A
limited
baby
on how
girl
much you
is
can take in deposits because
born.
deposits come with cash.
Another
We're
chat,
limited
baby.
on
Prayers up,
the
bro.
amount
She
of
will be okay.
securities financing we can do,
Even if she
inventories
came
to
early,
facilitate
it was the
customer
right
order flow.
time, baby.
So even though we found pockets to grow the company, which haven't relied on balance sheet,
That's it. Now
now
get her the
all
long
of our
term.
businesses to compete
That's
on a
it,
much more
baby.
level playing field.
Congratulations,
and we've got
brother.
significant aspirations on where we want to go from here. Because we can compete on an equal playing field.
DraftKings kind of
But the real
ripping.
key is we think that the value of the franchise that we have,
Microsoft
the scale,
now coming
the breadth,
down.
the depth of what we have, the quality of the people, the brand. We think it's we're going to be a really formidable competitor in all the businesses in which we still operate. And as I said, high aspirations, 17 to 18%
Yeah,
ROTC.
TLT. You guys, it sucks because TLT's like it was running off of fear here, but this was a very bullish bond auction on the 20-year, which is usually bearish, but yeah, so it's kind of, muddying the waters. Omex, TMC. Oh, I think I fucking sold the Omexes. I only have the options. We have that. I sold the fucking shares. I'm an idiot. I moved it to the other one. That's the risk of doing the move play, brother. But yeah, Omex and Trump. We have options on there. People familiar have been weighing. Oh, wait, that's New York Times. Be careful. So not confirmed, but they're saying it as an opinion. That's just like a glorified watch list if you think about it. So, yeah. But we had the options. The shares I dumped. I put Jesus on the beat so I could listen to it. I got reason to believe that we living in it. You could say it's one hell of a decision in it. Dude, those spy plays are up now. The shitty ones. Alrighty. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time to talk about life. Now, if you're going to get mad that I'm talking about life as it's going down, you are late. You did not pay attention. You had a very good opportunity to position. I was even telling you the plays I got were down 20%. Now, I didn't tell you my play. I gave you a window. You had to find it. You had to work a little bit, but I'm not going to freak out if it goes up or down. We are already ready for all of this, even the rotation this morning. So I hope you are locked in. Make your decision. That doesn't mean you give me money. That means just pay attention, but you do got to make your decisions in a timely manner. And remember, we got more earnings tomorrow, and we have a way bigger week next week. So apply that accordingly, my friends. Apply that accordingly. Actually, let me see. Yeah. So, that being said, I have a long Philo. I have a lot of different things. Let me see where we could start. I think all of it. It's gonna be random, bro. I wrote a lot down. I even had I had a crazy experience last night. That was a lot of fun. I'll tell you after. If I have time for it, remind me about the crazy experience, and I'll share it with you. But we'll see. We'll see. Where is it? Yeah, man. Well, let me start with the esoteric for you. Let me start with one of these. Can I remind you, in the Bible, Jesus refers to a temple. And he says there's a temple that was not made by hands. He even said he's going to destroy it and rebuild it. The disciples were like, what? So let me just ask you this, my friends. Are you ready for this one? This will be your simple one. There's only one temple in the world that was not made by hands that exists. What is it? It's a riddle. Let's see. Yes. The one in your head. Literally. The temple. Tap your head, the sides of it. That's called your temple. You get it? My brother, your brain, your mind is important. I hope all of you never forget that. And I hope I could keep reminding you. Amen. So, we got a lot. I want to talk more about purpose today and a lot of things. But I'll give you something, man. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but I think it tracks with a lot of everything, man. I said it in another way, and I can't shake this. I was thinking about this yesterday. And God is good, bro. And I love him. I love you. Even if you think I don't love you, there's love, brother. I want to push some of y'all to the greatness that is in you, man. And these scoundrels, dog, these scoundrels. It's not your fault, some of you. I get that. But we're not gonna shake it, and we're not gonna grow until we work, baby. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. I hope you pray for discernment. But it's like, I think some of you right now, and I've been there, I think you're asking God to do something. I think deep down, some of you are wondering if God, is he gonna do it? Some of you still wondering, God, is he real? Is he fake? And you pray, you know what I mean? I know it, bro. And you be worrying about, like, God, can you do this? Is this gonna happen? Is there a real God out there? This, and you doing the prayer, but I know you feel a certain way, a little bit of that doubt. But can I just tell you, you're asking God to do something, and I truly believe that God right now is asking you to get ready. My brother, it's not, go clean up the cup. Go clean the house. Get it ready. My brother, we're past whether or not he gonna do it or not. Can he do it? And I encourage you to look past that too. You don't need to pray and beg. Say, God, is this gonna happen? Is this, my brother? It's done. It's finished. Go get ready. That's what you're being called to right now. That's why all of it. I don't care where you stand. I don't care where you're at. I need you to realize this. Get ready. Now, this ain't that deep, and it is. It don't mean get ready for the war, get ready for this. No. Get ready, bro. If you knew, if what you were asking for, if I told you it's guaranteed, why wouldn't you start preparing for it right now? Oh, I hope you feel me, bro. I hope you feel me. You get how important that is? Let me put it this way. What if I told you you're going to become the president one day? Maybe next year, you're going to be president. If I told you that and you actually believed it, I think you would start changing your behavior. I think you would clean up your social media. I think you would do a lot of things, actually. You get what I'm saying? Oh, I hope they feel me. I think you would do a lot of things differently. If you knew there was a guarantee of something. If I told you I was going to write you a $10 million check, I think some of you would start shopping for homes. You would start getting ready. Do you understand? Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you right now? Start getting ready. Your mind, your energy, why are you worrying about if? Get ready. My brother, go get the cup ready. Why are you, like we said, bring the umbrella. I really hope you do. So, Chad, God bless you, man. And you know, it's funny because this was the story in the Bible yesterday. I loved it. Gideon. You know, Gideon's the one where he says, give me the ones who lap the water. Give me the 300. You know that? Do you know the story of Gideon? God said, I'm going to deliver all of this to you. It's done. But you know what he made Gideon do? He made Gideon get rid of the soldiers. You know why? He said, even though I'm going to give you all of this, I got to make sure that you weren't too strong. You know why? Because you're a human. You're going to get tempted to think you did it on your own. I've given you a Philo on this. Trump says GM and Ford called to think about tariffs. Truth Social. Get ready. You might get more Trump, good or bad, coming up. Michelin CEO, no reason to change dividend policy. No, that was yesterday morning. That was the verse of the day.
And I've given you this story. It's beautiful. But there's a part of it, and he says, bro, you guys, and I think this is real. I think this is right now. I think some of you have two choices. It's already done. I don't think y'all get what goes through my head. I'm not. What if? No. It's God. Why do you think I keep telling you I'm more worried about him than you? I'm more worried about God than the government. I'm more worried about being on God's side and nobody else. Let every man strike me down, brother. But the Christ, the Lord, the one true living God, that's that's all that matters. You get it? You have two choices. It is already yours, and you believe that. He said, I'm going to give this all. This is what you have. This is my calling. You got called. You're called. It's yours. You have two options. You either take that and believe, or you could wait, and then you know what God's going to do? He's going to let you hear the private conversations. He's going to let you hear the unheard, essentially, that you don't know about yet, but it's going to confirm your belief. But I hope in your heart you already believe. God is gracious. He'll give you that opportunity. But do you get what I'm saying? You could either believe it right now, or you could wait till, just like everything else I've shown you, till the truth comes out. Like I'm saying, bro, what if the story of Gideon, this is what happened. He was still worried. God gave him all these signs. God did all these things, and he was worried. He was like, how do I know we'll defeat him? And then God said, it's already done. I gave it to you. And he said, if you don't believe me, go listen to what they're saying. He said, go listen. And they crept up the next day and they heard what they were saying. And you know what they were saying? Do you know what they were talking about? Trump eyes fresh tariff probe on foreign drug. I think we might get an addition. So think about it. The software, Trump might either confirm that, or you might get more or less of that. All those plays are up 50. The shittiest plays are up 50. The other ones, free ones, are already up 100 and change. So you can make it free if you like. I haven't looked at the other. Oh shit, the VIX hit too. Nice. All right. So make free or push. This is going to be like right around the checkpoint. It all just depends on which dates you got. But like I said, you did good. All right, back to Philo. I told you, we good, dog. Praise the Lord. Oh, excuse me. So, I hope y'all make a good choice. Now, is that the one I want to go to next? No, please hold. Yes, this is one, and then this is still part of the intro. I just want to remind you, dude. You know that? I know I talk a lot, and I know I repeat things too, but like, you guys know the power is inside you, right? You know I have no special ability that you don't have. So you have it. It's all in you, man. I am the way, the truth, and the light. And you know what he says? You are the light, brother. I know I'm a terrible sinner. I know you are too. We all are, brother. We have all fell short in many, many ways. But you could do greater things than Jesus. You know who said that? Jesus. That doesn't mean I want to do greater without Jesus. My brother, you are called. God said you are the light. God is generous with the Spirit. Do you really want it? That's the real question. You know what I'm saying? Do you really want it? Oh, I hope they feel me. He's generous. He ain't gonna reject you. Seek him, pursue him. But it's you are the light. The power is inside you, bro. You don't get it? Bro, the Spirit wants to live inside of you and work through you. It wants to read the Bible through you. Think about it. It can't without you. You don't get it? There's nowhere else he want to live. He don't want to live in that stuff. I don't want to live in trash. I don't want to be around that. I want to be with harmony with the spirit. You get what I'm saying? That's why I said be the bread. You guys don't get it. Look at you are the bread. That's what God wants you to dwell in you. That spirit, that light is in you. And all it wants to do is go throughout the world. It wants to rejoice, to worship, all those. Oh, I hope you feel me, dog. I made those spies free. The shitty set I made free. I got one good free one from earlier, up way more. But yeah, I made it free right there. They killed it, bro. Again, that was the one with the 20% window. So that flipped 70% essentially from that move, leading into Philo. Something's happening. I know, I was ahead of it. We all were. That's why I said I'm going to talk about Jesus. We had a great moment to position. That's why I'm like, what? Come on. Praise the Lord, bro. God is good. And Chad, I hope you realize you're special. That's what I want to tell you. I want all of you to realize it. You're so special, God wants to live in you. You don't think that's crazy? I think it is. I think it's beautiful. You are so important and special, all of you. Even if you have rejected God your whole life, all these things you think are keeping you away. People want to keep you away. People say you're this, it's that, but no. Bro, you are so special. The spirit, the light is in you and it wants to dwell in you. It wants to live and come out through you. Do you get what I'm saying? It wants to come out through you. Are you letting it do that? Man, you will see greatness, brother. That Reddit news is hitting again. I don't know, yeah, a couple of option chains are tweaking out. Yeah, bro, something broke, you guys. No, something's fucked up. Nah, thank you, you guys are right. See, the first guy, I told him, I was like, I'm already ready. But then like 5 other chads are confirming the same thing. You see how we could work together? Yeah, something's fucked up. Bids are higher than asks. So yeah, all of that, even now on Robinhood too, everything's the same. Yeah, literally, the bids are higher than the asks right now. Several platforms, even Fidelity. Yeah, almost every, my TOS. Let me check. My UVXYs are fine. Let me check SPY. How did it let me sell those then? It just let me made one free. Yeah, same on E-Trade too. E-Trade, it's a lot tighter, not as many. But yeah, no, E-Trade as well. This has happened before, yes. And then remember, we're coming off that AWS shit. Well, make sure you're on locked in case it turns off. Uh-oh, watch out. Those, all of them hit, bro. That's it. You got at least 100%. The worst SPY play, you got 60, but now the bid stops moving. So that play either is the same price or more. And then any of the other volatility plays, you got 20 to 100%. I don't really know right now. I know they're up a lot, though. That's fucked. Yeah, it's everywhere. Well, back to AWS day. But now, dude, the chains are all fucked up. Every single brokerage. It's not everywhere. It's on the SPYs and some of the UVXYs, but there's just like random options. They're not working. AKA bids higher than asks and shit. Everything. E-Trade, Thinkorswim, Fidelity, Robinhood. So yeah. That one's different. Because remember, we were just talking about how you should have a backup. Every backup. You could still make trades. It's wonky. Yeah, it's very, very wonky. Yeah, my other play hasn't moved. It let me. I could sell them. That's so odd. All the way down to, it just depends how far out. The ones further out the money aren't broken. So, but the ones that are making money, the good ones are all fucked up. Literally. All the good ones are fucked up. The shitty ones that are worthless, that don't really have a viability, it doesn't even matter. But the ones with activity, the ones that have gone and made a big move, they're all broken. Every platform. Yeah, some people are saying you can't sell now, but I was able to get out of some of them. I don't know, the VIX one is weird. Alright, well, that bounce is kind of forming at the glitch, so, I mean, think about it. Whack. Okay, make those plays fucking free, bro. Yeah, dude, the bid is higher than the ask right now. I think I'm gonna just see. Will it let me dump these? No, it won't fill it. I can't even fill it on the bid that it's giving me. Nope. Yeah, I can't even get out of it. Alright. Yeah, they're not... I can't believe they let me get rid of one of them, but yeah, it won't even fill out the bid. You have to fucking guess the price if you want to get sold, and then, yeah. And now, imagine what other impacts from the pricing. I'm gonna go below the bid, or ask. No, it didn't even fill me, dude. I just threw in a fucking low ball, it wouldn't even fill me. That's so whack. Oh, Apple dying. Not too bad. Yeah, bro, I'm lowballing my contract. Bro, I said 50% off. It won't even fill it. That's so whack. Yeah, Apple got it right. Well, either way, at least I'm glad it gave me most of the money. I'm really glad. I got out at perfect time, but still, that's annoying. That's good money on the table, let alone how it slowed down. That changed the whole momentum of that. They literally just fucking standbyed us like it's Halo 2. Literally lag switch. I couldn't sell any of them. I had that moment right when I put out the stream alert and I told you guys I made it free. Those filled. It was right here. I got really good money off of it. And then that's it. Every other play won't go through now. Well, that sucks. Yeah, the Apple Ming-Chi sent confirming weak iPhone Air. But iPhone 17 was great in China. All right, well, back to Jesus. It'll figure itself out. At least we got some of our money. But yeah, man, you're important. God want to live in you. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. So, we have a few things we need to talk about. We need to talk about consequences. And then we got to talk about purpose. Do you guys know what the word purpose means? We've talked about it a lot. But when it comes to purpose, my brother, you could really go look it up. Go hit your boy AI. It'll type purpose is original idea. That's what purpose means. It has a different meaning, but you see how the word originated, how it's intended. Essentially, the word purpose means original meaning. The original idea. So think about that. My brothers, I think all of you have a purpose here. You've been sent The sooner you realize this on this little spinning ball, the better you're going to be. Okay? Very simple. The word purpose means original idea. And guess what? It's inside of you. My brother, that means you have an original idea in you. And your purpose, you have original design. Do you understand? Don't tell me you can't do anything, because I know you have something in you. The original idea. You guys see why I want you to think so hard? You see why I want you to be yourself? You don't get it? My brother, don't take the bait. Seek God in His purpose. You will find your original idea. Follow man, copy man. My brother, the purpose is going to get changed. You will not be living to your purpose. You will be misled. You know what's even better? For real, bro. Everything. Look at the world. Go around. Everything here. Everything there. All these ideas. My brother, stop inventing doctrines. Stop it. Look around. We live in a world. Everybody inventing doctrines. You know how many new doctrines? You know how many people in the church? Outside of the church? Why people ruining their lives? Because of the doctrine the world is giving them. My brother, stop inventing doctrines and seek God's ideas. Y'all ain't feel me. That's what I've been on. I don't want my purpose, dog. I want God's original idea. I don't want the world, bro. I want His ideas. That's why I want all. I know we got so many people, bro. And I know some of y'all are great. Good souls, brother. My brother, I encourage you to seek out God's ideas. I think we need that, brother. You don't get it? We need it. No, they're filling them. The bids aren't fixed. Go look at the last trade. Last trade will give you an idea. Those plays, bro, that play that I wanted them, I said they could give me $50 for it and it wouldn't fill. It just went through at $1.70. That's crazy. So I still have them. I was just trying to test it out. They were all free, but yeah, it's still fucked up, you guys. Ay, ay, ay. But, Chad, there's an original idea inside of you. The more you seek your Father, but it's not just Him, it's not just the doctrine, my brother. Look for His ideas. God will give you the original idea. God will give you your purpose. I hope you see some of the problem. My brother, how will we understand God's ideas if we don't have the same concepts? Do you realize, for us to understand ideas, both each other and God, we need to have a common ground of concepts. Are you aware of that? Here, let me ask you this. If I give you a concept and you miss it, what is that called? What is that? Well, yeah, it's hard to buy a play now, but I mean, if you were listening to that positioning zone, you're in it. But yeah, everything's broken. I don't know why, and then you're reacting to the Trump shit. Think about what I just said. What happens if you miss my concept? We don't have the same concept you're not giving. I give you a concept, even trading, and you miss it. What is it? What happens? What's that called? It's easy, brother. It's called a misconception. Oh, brother. You see it? We need the same concepts if we want to understand the same ideas. You want God's ideas, my brother, you're going to need to understand His concepts. If you don't have the same concepts, you're going to keep misconceptioning each other. Everything will be a misconception. You missed it. Then it leads to miscommunication, then misunderstanding, and then so on and so forth. Holy shit. Yeah, those players ripped. Those little fuckers. Those scammers. I still got a couple of them, but yeah. It's hard to act now. Now they're breaking the VIX ones. The VIX, oh, fuck me. Well, hey, bro, those earlier plays were fucking golden, dude. And you got in before the fuckery. So whenever it opens up and they'll give you the money, you might be able to. Or put in a sell order at the price, and even if it rejects it, you could complain to them afterwards. They're moving. Look at the last trade, but now the last trade is stopping. Dude, no daily options are trading right now. Yeah, none of the last... It's broken, you guys. I can't believe we even got in right before that. For pennies. I was yelling at y'all. I even cut it off for you to pay attention, too. Damn. Brick by brick. God is good. So, you missed my concept. It's a misconception. You need the same concepts to understand the ideas. So, let me ask you a question, brother. What is a kingdom? What is a kingdom? Do you know what that concept is? Do you know what the concept of kingdom means? I will tell you, bro. Most people, I feel like, under the age of 30, 40, most people have no idea what the concept of kingdom really is. And you want to know why that's concerning? Because the Bible is filled with that concept of kingdom. Tell me I'm wrong. I know you've heard it. Kingdom, kingdom, my kingdom, thy kingdom come. You don't get it? All throughout the book, and do you understand it? Do you understand the concept? Let me ask you this. What is your concept of kingdom? Some of y'all, it's Lion King. Burger King. Where did your idea come from? This is why I'm saying, bro, to diligently seek this. Do you see, y'all think I'm being crazy? We need to understand concepts. You know why? If we want God's ideas, we need a stable ground. We need a framework. Just like investing. Ask Benjamin Graham. Oh, it filled me. It filled one of them. I got filled at one at a crazy price. Lawmakers weigh stopgap through December 26. Yeah, I got filled on Spy. That was that play that I kept calling out. So I made him free. Then we had the glitch, but it just filled me at a very high price. I'm going to try to sell another one. It's still showing the same bid. It didn't fill the second one. So now it won't fill at the bid. So now it's... Oh, no, it filled. Okay, they filled me on another one at a crate. Dude, we're talking like... That's like 600-700%. It filled. So that's weird. I got filled on another one. I'm going to keep the other one. And I have another different set. I have two different sets. So... what is your concept of kingdom? I'm not going to give you the answer. I need you to realize this is weird. You need to spend your life figuring this out. The more you seek the Lord, I think the more you'll see it. But my question for you is, when God says a word, do you picture the same thing that he does? That's what I want. But without understanding purpose, without understanding concept, my brother, do you see the misconceptions? Do you see how easy it'll be to miss this? So, brother, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. And you are the light. I hope you be the bread. Do you guys know who God's firstborn was? Jesus was the firstborn man, but do you know who God's firstborn was? God's firstborn was the light. Go read the Bible. What does it say in Genesis? First thing he did in the darkness, let there be light. Light was the firstborn. The Son of Man, I am the way, the truth, and the light. There's your human version. And my brother, you are the light. That's what he said to you. Be the light. Be the sun. It's in all of you. Oh, I look forward to it. So now the final thing I want to give you today is how to think a little bit better. And you want to know how you're going to do that? By focusing on consequences. Let me put it another way. Consequences are more important than decisions. Yeah, it's getting fixed right now. I think it's fixed. Everything's moving. Prices are relatively in the same. Yeah. Yeah, super wide spreads, but it's working now. They fucked those UVXYs on the spread, but those are great. But yeah, even this SPY play, the one I was able to, the last one, still has a good price. I sold them way higher though, but it still just has a fat spread. Now it's stopping again. It's really fucking choppy, dude. But yeah, something clearly just went down. Good call out, all of you. But yeah, man, consequences are more important than decisions. Has anybody ever told you that? Let me tell you this. Don't ever make a decision that is more important than the consequence. You think getting married is a big decision? I think the consequences of that decision are bigger. I think that's what matters more. You think getting a long-term is a big decision? I think it's the consequences of what that long-term in savings does to you. No? You think accepting Jesus Christ into your life is a big decision? I think it's the consequence from how people treat you to how the Spirit treats you and how you treat yourself. No? My brother, decisions give birth to consequence. That is the impetus. That is the seed. You know what people like to say a lot? People love to say, if you make a decision, you gotta live with it. That's not true. I don't think that's true. My brother, a decision is in the moment. You're gonna live in the consequence. That's why everybody getting so confused on the politics, the world. My brother, we ain't living in a decision. The decisions have been made. They have been done. We are living in the consequence. I've told you this years ago. My brother, even what just happened now, consequence. Your long-term, again, you think I care it's the consequence. What happens if you didn't get it? What happens if you don't get the crib? Think about it. You got to live in the consequence, not the decision. So I hope after this, man, I really hope I could get you to think harder and better and wiser and advance to that highest level that's in you, brother. For real. Elevate. And the Lord is with you. But I hope you realize this, man. You don't stop studying the decision. I need to know how to make decision. I need to do it. No! Brother, you should exhaust all the consequences. You should exhaust studying the consequences and saying, what happens if I do? What happens if I don't? What happens if I'm timid? What happens if I'm not? Are you feeling me? This is going to change your life if you actually use it. Or you could fade this one too, brother. But guess what? There's a consequence. I was trying to tell people at the beginning of the year, I'll talk to you at the end. Consequence. You want to get better. You want to get sharper. Think about it. You need to start exhausting the consequences. These decisions are meaningless. The decision is going to start the consequence. But what do we care about? What's the thing that affects us? What's the one we live in? The consequence. Start thinking consequence. You'll make better decisions. And even if you made bad decisions, if you are understanding consequences, you will be good. So rejoice, brother. And that's why, if right now is good, protect yourself. What's the consequence if you get too prideful? What's the consequence if you stay in your depression? If you believe nothing could happen and somebody's controlling it, what's the consequence? You get gassed up thinking you this and that when you really nothing. What's the consequence? So, amen. Hey, yo, they just sell my fucking shit? Something's tweaking out again. You're dipping, but my premiums are getting fucking weird. I'm like having weird orders flash. Wow. Either way, I thought I was going to take longer, but I was able to get through it all. And the market this is crazy, but I think you guys had a really good opportunity right there. I think homeboy called me late. Another guy got mad. But I'm glad. Consequence. So get a long term. Save 10%. Seek your father, please. But one of these days, I'm not going to beg you. You're going to have to live in the consequence. So take that to the bank. That is your philosophy, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you guys are subscribed. We're live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before open. Drop your thumbs up on the video. Yeah, the whole option chain is broken, you guys. So, yeah. I don't know what to tell you.
Some people don't even have dreams, you know what I'm saying? But if you're blessed enough to have a dream, chase it, bro.
I had a dream like Martin, then I heard a couple stories. Never met my heroes, never had one. Never wanted things I never had, son. I got it, then I grabbed them. Looking back, these bitches southeast sad them. Good morning, don't ignore or you're a sword for the war. Armor's no good if you leave that shit at home. I don't care if that match up with the drum. I ain't young, I ain't care about looking dumb. Out my way, we could talk when I'm done. Does it look like I'm finished? Even if I was, dog, I do my own dishes. Why the fuck you in my business? I ain't tryna be a menace. Need a couple minutes, but you're talking in your bitchin'. Just show me that you don't get it, look. Now I wasted your time trying to reprimand, explain the basic shit so you could understand. I ain't being mean the way I teach, the big leagues ain't throwing underhand. I'm not the bad guy, I'm the best coach that you ever had. Something like LaMelo's dad, mama was an immigrant, $5 an hour working with Brillo pads. We got some things we shouldn't have, so I can feel down, but I don't ever think I'm really sad. Life a miracle, but I won't give you one. But I could teach you shit and you'll walk away with dividends. Wish you'll bought more, and then you'll wish you did it young. You missed the first harvest, but tell me about the second one. Trying to build while looking at the clouds. I'm looking at my hand, then I'm looking at the ground. Peter walked on water but fell. When he looked around, I heard that story all my life. I think I start to get it now. Slow in the fast lane, answers in my last name. They really didn't listen, that's a damn shame. But that don't mean my plans changed. Maybe just the landscape did what I said without a handshake. 3,004 an ounce, that sound like a fair rate. Word is gold, they only kept theirs too late. So I'm out with your new face. A snake can move a few ways. And life a bitch that lie about how the fruit tastes. Welcome back.
Yeah, where's Jill? Come on. Nah, I mean it. Hey. It's 4 p.m. 4 p.m. so I wake up, bitch. Hey. Shout out to Percy, that's me. You could just call me JP. I do not answer no questions. You could leave that to Shaki. Camilla riding with me. She'll lock you up for some weed. Say bad things about the vaccine. I'ma make sure you don't speak. Got a laptop you won't see. Hunter, I love her, but that shit was weird with his feet. I love my Congressman Trey. Shout out to Nancy, she paid. Double your gas in a day. Them must say Putin's to blame. Real politics in your face. 500 bill on the way. 500 mil to Ukraine. Every day. Javelins keeping them safe. Fuck it, just send them some planes. Tell them keep growing them grains. All of my bros in 8-0. None of they borders is closed. All of us got climate goals. All of us trade together. Strategically releasing the ore. They said that Putin won't fold. They in my cabinet no more. Fuck the squad, fuck the foe. Had a 9, fuck a roll. Now we going practical. Hunter, my dog, that's for sure. We ain't gon' fight about shit. Especially not 10%. We ain't gon' fight about hoes. Me and Nance get the votes. Lobby that shit on the low. I got Congress in control. I got your student loan froze. I got your mortgages froze. I got Keystone on froze. But mentioning cinema froze. I'm getting faded, I'm eating this ice cream. I don't like voters who ID. Questions from press, that's unlikely. Bring up Trump if they don't like me. They give me the Eddie, I wake up. Passing bills, that's a layup. I'm the big man, I got say so. They lock you down if I say so. Booster on booster on booster. Mandate on mandate on mandate. I just get Evie a test spray. Fuck you, Elon, I won't even say your name. Came in the office already ballin'. Silent just ain't changed my name to Stalin. Right off the screen and I'm gone with the wind. Do nothing about something till they pass a bill. Pull up in a brand new Benz truck. Hop up fresher than a bread truck. All I got is steps. Yeah, all I gotta make is one car. Station on your block, took off. Mixing up my words, I'm live. So I think they mad. My fault, talking about inflation. I caused dumping our oil, turned me to a savage. $1 saved on a gallon. Fuck OPEC and King Salmon. And fresh, I'm tired.
It's a cup, baby. Yeah, I drive fast, but I talk slow. That's on set. Your hoes, they sold to get the gold. I kept the truth, they held my own. They acted like they didn't know. They acted like they credible. To judge you from a pedestal. Fuck it. I ain't hating some ones that claiming that they real. Usually the fakest ones. Same applies to me. So just judge me by the shit I done. Tryna keep it meek, but they jealous, see a loaded gun. Statistically, most is killed by their own. So you better check your weapons instead of watching the throne. The best lesson being tested and finding peace on your own. But divided can't survive it. I'm talking about your home. I'm talking about your throne. The war that we wage is on. I got it, but first was wrong. The power was in the dawn. That's word of the homie Paul. My prophet make them a ball. I'm talking about my checks and talking about my God. This the new economy. Bring the joy like Jollibee. Dictate like I'm Aladdin. I don't need apologies. Only need my God with me. My girl look like a model thing. I'm pricing in apostrophes. The price is always taught to me. Feeling like it's been kept it fake. They want it cheap, I want it great. I need a meal, but I just say how you feel is what it ain't. Confusing truth with the feeling. Make a smaller problem great. Trying to get it way too early. Easy way to get it late. So I ain't driving slow. This ain't college dropout, this is more like college honor roll. Always see them talking, but I never seen them buy the lows. They flexing when they got it, but they never show you where it goes. Homie told me Vominos, know you bout that tribal hoe. We don't know impossible, only know that give and go. Something like a pick and roll, I call it out, they get the score. They talking but don't check the board, they acting real but fill the door. Dog, I'm feeling blessed, I did a lot while using less. Pray to God with all this stress, I only need a little rest. And back again and hit my reps. Watch my heart and guide my steps, don't focus on the shit you lost, focus on the shit that's left. So let it ride, I gotta keep it jumping like a mother and buy it now. Yeah. Real shit, all this dummy shit is boring me. Put me in the book of life, the author and authority. My father is the king, I'ma let him go to war for me. I got a lot of things, but my soul still mean more to me. Down with cannibals, they probably gonna eat your nest. 100 on the crib before I ever put it on my neck. Here, write this down, I don't want you to forget. God gave me this gift, I'm chained to him, not the shit. Just items, rather be like him. The valley in the shadows, I will not be frightened. I don't do the third eye, the word enlightens. Discern how they swerve, all they words, no biting. So smooth with it, wanna imitate it. Saint drip, bitch, I am inundated. In a little different, it's more than innovation. Always had a different vision if we both facing the same location. Oh, I'm patient, y'all keep playing. Haven't you noticed that we the same? No changing, y'all still flaking. I'm still crazy, smoke that hazy. This'll be the part where I tell them that they lazy. Next Jim Cramer, but Bloomberg hate me. And the plays hit, so y'all can't blame me. Instant so sits, but the money from the 80s. Why you think I keep on telling y'all it's for the taking? Listen, little nephew, can't you feel the vibration? You don't need a preform to get a live nation. Bar is hella hard, you only get it if you play it. LYB, no PRAYIG, make it like they famous. They so draining, they complaining. Do it every day like it was an occupation. What they paying? I'm just saying, I get money on every effort. I ain't better, just a veteran professor at the Benjamins and Jeffersons. It's not about the melanin, it's more about the skeletons, the shit that's in the medicine. Oh no, here we go again. The type of conversation turned them feminine. I have, I shall. No questioning, no mentioning. I think this is the part
Praise
where
God.
the sentence in period. That's a great joke. Girl playing Halo somehow came out with it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was vibing, man. I was just, we did it. We did our work. That's what I'm saying, bro. And I don't want any of y'all complaining, even if they fucked you over. I feel like I walked you all through that low-key perfectly, and we even cashed out. You kept a little bit, and you could still have your exposure, but like I'm saying, bro, people like to do something. You don't do something here. We had it. So yeah, man, I'm not even feeling good on that, but man, the spirit is alive. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Oh, I'm patient. Y'all keep playing. Haven't you noticed that we the same? No changing. Praise God. You don't even need it. You could do anything. You gotta lock in, dog. Lock in. Yeah, it's been fun. Oh, excuse me. That was whack though, but still. Even with the whackness, you still could have made 1,000%. 700%, really. That was the highest, but it filled me on a fucked up one. It shouldn't have. But yeah, that candle fucked a lot up, but just that glitch and everything else. But like I'm saying, it's not like it was impossible. Like, you know, for real, those of you who took some of the, I said, if you're scared, make your decision. You had a window. You had a window before it got crowded, before everybody did all that, everything up. Effed up. You said that yesterday. I'm banning you now. I don't want to be around it. Get away. I love you. That's it. We're done. That's what I'm saying. Gotta keep it simple. And if not, and like I'm telling you, and people want you to act here and do stuff, just being prepared early, getting ready, it's gonna help you. Balance, budget. Yeah, you got this, there's second chance, and then after the glitch, it got weird, but even then, there was still opportunity in that glitch. It's getting a little bit more normal, but it's even then, on and off, during all that. Crazy experience. Okay, I'll tell you. Dude, it was trippy. Because I was doing what I told you yesterday during the prayer. And I don't know, man. I don't know. I should tell you this. Like, bro, that's why I really hope you pay attention to all the Philos and really listen. And not just one of them. But, man, you guys know, like, God is so good. I know I say that, but it's not like I told you, man. It's very gentle. And it's not like, I don't know, like the Spirit could point out everything wrong with you and you'll feel good about it. Does that make sense? And like to a certain degree where it's not, like that's why it's odd. I know sometimes even if I correct you, you don't feel it in the gentle way. But, oh man, the Spirit. But long story short, bro, I don't know. I needed confirmation on something and I got it. And yeah, it was trippy because I was doing it. I had what I was telling you I was doing yesterday. And then, bro, I like slip out of the, like, you know, my eyes are open. I'm in a dark room, my secret place. My eyes are open. It gets dark. And I'm like fully locked in on that. I'm imagining, and then I'm focusing on silence as much as possible. And then, dude, it was a very, very big brightness. And it was one of the first times that I didn't get scared. I don't know how to describe it. My whole, like, left eye to the whole thing just turned into a giant bright light. And usually when that happens, or like it kind of slips in and out, I'll freak out a little bit. And then I blink, and then I'm like, oh shit. But yeah, dude, and it was such a, I heard nothing, but it gave me confirmation, and it was so gentle, and it was so dope. And then I thought it was my girlfriend. I thought she came into my house and turned on the light outside of the room. Yeah, nobody was there. So it was blinding, but not like it was just very bright. It just, everything turned white and bright. And then it was it wasn't, the light was trippy, but it was more the feeling. Like I'm saying, it was, I didn't hear anything, nothing. It was just, but it was a very comforting thing that I thought I would have been afraid of it. I thought I would have got scared. Like I'm saying, even without like a fear of something, it just, you know, sometimes like your eye and like you slip in and out of like viewing things, it'll just like, you trip out or like you blink and you do something. But like, nah, it was probably the most intense experience I had, and I didn't react at all. But it did give me something. So I don't know, man. I love it. I be praying every day, dude. And I hope you do. Yeah, it was kind of like a Jesus flashbang. Dude. I hate that it describes that so well, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hate that that's exactly what it felt like. That's, oh my gosh. I didn't even think about that till you said it. It was literally a Jesus flashbang. I can't, there's no other way to put it. Lord, forgive me. I wish, give me another way to put it, Lord. Otherwise, we're going with Jesus flashbang. Yeah, bro. No, I mean, I've heard ringing before, so I wouldn't say it's there, but it was more like getting hit with a flashbang, but not losing your presence. That's the part that tripped me out, or not being disoriented by it. That's what it is. There's no disorientation. It was like I was fully aware, but I was, and it didn't knock me out of whatever. I didn't even think. That's what is trippy about it. That's what I'm saying. I wasn't even like until afterwards. It wasn't until after I was like, what was that? Or I was like, was that somebody? Like, did my girl come in? But like in the moment of it, it lasted for like maybe like 10 seconds. I don't even know, actually. I can't even put a time on it, but it wasn't long. It wasn't like a flash in and out. But yeah. Yeah, dude, it's good, man. Zuckerberg refocuses super intelligence. He's talking about the layoffs. Yeah, if you think I'm a nut job, I encourage you to believe that and go against me. And then if you believe it, I encourage you to go pray on your own every single day and find your secret place. It's good for you. I love it. I love it. These value stocks are going up. Oh, I'm patient. Haven't you noticed that we the same? Nope, changing. Okay, it's coming back down. The SPY plays are still up a decent amount, bro. Actually, kind of wild how that all played out. Yeah, I only held like 4 or 5% of it, but if you got that full, I think those hit 1,000. I was out at 400%. So GG's, baby. And then, yeah, you are coming back down. You guys are still waiting on Trump, though. So that first headline, the reason that got us good positioning, like I said, you just got to decide as they set that stage. And it's funny how people were talking shit in the chat, but like I was telling you, it is related. That was new. That was a new development. And depending on the scope of export controls, that could be that negative set the stage until we get the end of the month shit. So, yeah, man, but not a bad day. If you have any off topics, you could ask them. Ooh, what's this? I've never heard this beat. I don't like it. I don't like this one. It's giving me anxiety. No. I almost got one for you on this one, too. Uncle's gonna let me get on it, I think. But I have a verse for this one. Yeah, and the other one's done. Yeah, it hasn't been recorded, though. Open, you got some investor going long on it. I fucking love this beat, dude. There's the candle on open for that one. Our biotech's getting clapped. All right, you're coming back down. Is that Booking? Oh, no, DraftKings. I don't know. If you guys want to talk about options and trading, you need to go to the locked-in chat. This is for long-term only. That's it. And information. I'm down to give you info, and I still even think, even you guys know you're on a fat delay today, and you have still been ahead of the world, not to mention a golden opportunity here. And I really did walk y'all through that, so I don't want to hear it. But yeah, if you want options this week, next week, go to the other chat, bro. It's waiting for you. And I don't know if anyone's hiding it, but it's like, don't let them fool you, bro. There's a lot of people there. So, you know, a lot of people like to act like it, and that's what they did with me. But the men lie, women lie. The numbers don't. Do. Wait till you hear the tracks, bro. Even when I be thinking about the lyrics as I pray, and I'm like, no, stop thinking. But then I like the music and the connection. Oh yeah, what happened to Buki? I stopped, huh? Everything, okay, dude. The other spy options are higher now. What the fuck? And then yeah, they're letting the other ones come up on the VIX. But shit, dude. I've not read the 4 agreements. I've read the 4 meditations. Or is it 4 prints? There's 4 something. Yeah, you didn't understand what I was saying, you bro, so I gotta ban you. Sorry. But earnings for Intel is tomorrow. So we were saying last couple days, make your decision. Calls are cheaper and other stuff, but I mean, that earnings will change a lot. We did discuss it. Vital. BlackRock on the low? Yeah, they just took a $4 drop. That's like 0.8. Interestingly enough. No, Intel is after the bell tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. You should double check that though, just in case. I haven't been too locked in on the earnings. I don't think we're gonna get a couple of opportunities, but I think it's gonna be next week. Well, you could talk about Target, but I'm not trying to turn this into buy this, buy that. So I think you know that, Ness. Don't test it, please, with the side thing. We've talked about Target a lot, you know? That's what I'm saying. I hope you guys could have more valuable conversations to advance it. We all know Target and making that, and they have earnings coming up too. And we had this talk earlier, so yeah, guys, just, I don't know, man, get with it. After the bell, 5 p.m. Tomorrow or today? Tomorrow, right? Yeah. All right, you're getting a candle. Check Truth Social. I mean, Trump did put a couple out. We haven't heard from him yet. Bow, out, down, out. Okay, they just read, dude. The premiums are wicked. But yeah, that fucked up a lot, and then the glitch got in the way. Procter Gambling. They had a nice little bounce recently, but Deathblow, I'd love it if they do good. We're gonna look back at it again. Down, out, down, down, out, down, out. Yeah, it was, literally. That's what I'm saying. And, like, none of our long-term targets changed, you know? So you guys know where you're going to, and like I'm saying, you did have a different opportunity, literally, not too long ago. But it's still good on value, but you just got to stack it up. I mean, this is a conversation. I've said this many, many times. Look at your portfolio, see what it's telling you. That's why the long-term game isn't that hard. You don't have to overthink it. Remember, it's little by little. Down, out, down, out. They all have energy, bro. Like, this is the beat I listen to the beat in the gym just over and over again. That's what a big ass candle feel like. This. Give me the wall, bro. Let's run it. I'll run through it. Gets me hyped. I think that's what got me sick, probably, though. Feel too hyped. Like the Rock Band game. Dude, I would play Guitar Hero in a mini. Kind of down. Oh, nice. You made to San Diego? Dude, first cross trip ever driving? How many miles? Dude, go get taco stand. It might be hard to drive there in a truck, but maybe you could even, I think you could DoorDash it or order it. Or if you go out, park somewhere, bro, go get you taco stand. Dude, they got taco stand in the airport now. That's why, and I had it. I'd be like, dude, taco stand goes crazy. It's called The Taco Stand. That's a good place to try, bro, if you in here. Rock band. Down, out, down, and down, out, down, out. Down, out, down, out, down. I know, I'm excited for you to see it. You'll see what Uncle does. It's good, bro. Yes, you are in locked in. Yes, this is real time on locked in. You still are expected to follow rules, and I think after off-topic mode, I would expect you to use the other chat for stuff that is not locked in. So, yeah, but you're on there, bro. Dude, I was like I was terrible at it, then I got good at Guitar Hero, but yeah, I haven't played that in a minute, man. Now. You used to work with the guy that held the longest record for Guitar Hero Marathon? No way. It's crazy. That's such a fun fact. What was he like? 2,842 miles? Oh, you beast. Dude, how long did that take? Oh, God bless you, bro. Be good, and you're a good driver, right? You better drive, bro, like the best driver ever. You know what I'm saying? Because not all them drivers is good, dog. So I hope you are, man. Be safe out there, and I like it. Guitar Hero 2000. I was the drummer in my band. Oh, dude, that was good memories. That was a good time. Like, remember when Guitar Hero first came out and that was like tech? Like, this is such a great game. You like play the guitar on the screen. It's like a guitar, but oh, we loved it, dude. I loved it. I was a big fan. Meow, now, down, now, 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 now. Yeah, I'm super sick with the Bop It. That stayed with me. Mm-hmm. good time, dude. It's a good time. He said my coworker had the record. Nico's Fish Market? Where's that? Is that by Taco Stand? Because there's a little, I think it's called Pescal's or something. Pesca something. It makes sense. But that's right next to the La Jolla one. That place is fire too. I never heard of Nico's Fish Market. Put me on, dog. I'm down. I like food. That's terrible. I have bad habits with food, but yeah, I like good food. El Pescador, huh? That place is good. You got it, like, they actually, like, it's kind of unassuming. You wouldn't think so. El Pescador, I think that is the name. It's fire. What was the song on Guitar Hero? Something Mockingbird? It's the song everybody know. I would have only know. People get offended. I don't know it, but I only knew it from Guitar Hero. What was it called? The one, there's like the number one, the easy one. I'll know it when you say it. The stream. Do not buy the stream alerts. I put that $10,000 price up to send a message. They are not available. Y'all kept buying it. I am refunding them. So look at that. And that's what I'm saying. Y'all playing games with me. And y'all getting entitled on shit. These guys are throwing bans at me. You know that? So let's go. And I would love to give everything back away for free. But now you should see the bar and where it is set to. So, but yeah, Stream Alerts has been out for a minute. Carry on my wayward son. You'll be hearing you. That's the one, baby. Oh, yeah. That one, bro. Carry on wayward son. No, that's the one. Oh, dude, you know what I'm talking about. I have no idea what that song was till fucking... Oh, dude, you don't remember? Uh-huh, you just got flashbacks? I got you, G. Memory unlocked. I knew the bass line and shit. I didn't know it had a name. Down there. Yeah, bro. They don't feel me. Carry on my way, I'm hearing you, I got. Meow. You've been trying to get yours to work? Oh, like the Guitar Hero? Dude, they don't tell me they stopped making it. I mean, I haven't been locked into the Guitar Hero game, but I feel like that's a game that'd just be on forever. Auto production at risk of stalling. Dutch government seized Nexperia. China-owned chipmaker that produces components in used vehicles. That's old, but people are talking about in the auto space. Tyree throwing me lobs. Down there. Happy Gilmore. I like to think I'm the Happy Gilmore of the stock market sometimes. Because after watching the re-release of the new Gilmore and seeing, you know, when he like freaks out and goes crazy, I feel like I do that. And I don't know. I kind of have an unorthodox swing, but man, can I drive it. Praise God. They stopped making Guitar Hero? Yeah, you guys are telling me resale? They made it into an actual guitar and it died? No way. I did not know that. It's now Clone Hero. And you use a controller? Jeez, they just love to ruin everything, huh? That's crazy. You're fucking kidding me. No, how much they going? How much a Guitar Hero going for? And I'm about to pull up eBay, dog. Guitar Hero original. Oh, I see it's mint condition Aerosmith bundle. Is that it? Yeah, $75. Whoa, PlayStation 3 original, $449. Holy shit. Nintendo Wii, Rock Band 2. I don't know if these are the original ones. $80 for a PS2 one. Game tested and works. That's nuts. Bow now now now. You miss DJ Hero? I'll give you one better. I miss Parappa the Rapper. Yeah, motherfucker. I was on PS1. What now, son? What happened to Parappa the Rapper? Y'all ain't remember, homeboy? I don't even know what that game was about. Yeah. What was it? I remember playing it, but I don't even remember, like, I remember it wasn't even like rap, but it was. Yeah, you started even breaking out when things were getting glitched out. So I had a nice follow through still. Rapper about karate with this, right? Yeah. And didn't you like have to hit the bump buttons? Oh, I remember NFL Street. That was a dope game. And then Street Ball. That was PlayStation 2. NFL Street was really dope. I played a lot of that. Kick, punch. Yeah, you guys know they remember Parappa. Man, it's been a long time. The Def Jam fighting game, of course. All of them, bro. There wasn't as many options back then, and the games that were popular, I think we all played them. We all, like, that was that generation. And everybody would just, yeah, you would play the same games. Because there was only a couple good ones, I feel like. And then those concepts were, like, new at the time. Like, think, like, Street Ball, NFL Street, that was new. That was a new concept at the moment. And it was so dope. I guess it was kind of the remake of, like, NBA Jam, if you think about it. But, yeah. And, yeah, not everything was a microtransaction. Uh-huh. And then we get Need for Speed Underground. Dude, imagine how whack that game would have been if they did microtransactions. Carry on my wayward son. There were so many, bro. I love Need for Speed Under. That was probably the cool, dude. The whole era of like Fast and the Furious and Need for Speed Underground. That was a really cool moment in life, man. I'm so grateful that I got to be alive and like playing it. Just how it all played, dude. That was such a cool era. I did, bro. I really. And you know, I had a 4-cylinder ass Honda, and I really thought I was doing something. You have no idea. You couldn't tell me shit. I really did. I thought, bro, I was VTeching and everything, and I thought I was out here. And you know, and I enjoyed it, all of it. All of it, bro. All of it. That was such a great, great time. So praise God. They don't feel me. You played some Battlefield? Hey, yo, you're in New York, right? So if I come to New York, Cameron, are you going to come bring me monitors? Because I'll need monitors if I come this weekend. But I'll be in the city. You're far out, aren't you? But other than that, I might just go, or I'll go to New York after Ma'am Donnie crashes it. I can't wait. Praise God. Scary ice cream truck. Metal Gear. No. Twisted Metal. Twisted Metal. Why do I know that off top, dude? Like nothing. Yeah, Twisted Metal, dog. That was a good game. He might not win. I think they do that. But if he does win, I mean, it would be terrible if you can't revert it. But I think it's going to be a good lesson. And like I'm saying, I mean, I'm so down. But it's also really scammy because you didn't hear what he said. He said they're going to use the government money to buy out the property and then turn it into communes. But you don't get it? That means all these people who bought a liquid real estate that would take forever to sell at $5, $10, $20 million, he's going to use government funds to buy all those guys out, turn it to a failed project, and then all the big money comes in to stabilize it after it crashes in 10 years, 5 years. Isn't that nuts? So that's unfortunately where I'm saying it's kind of odd, but we'll see. I've not played Twisted Metal recently, no. Oh, you're back in Florida? Oh, I thought you were in New York. I like Florida too. I'm a big fan. I like Florida or Miami in winter. It's not bad unless you guys get a hurricane. I did not even know there was a new Twisted Metal. It's crazy. I have never been to the west coast of Florida. You know that? Maybe I will. I've never been St. Petersburg. I've never been there. I want to check out Tampa. I've never been to Orlando. I've been in Fort Lauderdale and Miami. That's it. That's all I've been to. Yeah, Clearwater. I've never been out there. I've been. I might not come to New York. I need to set shit up. But I want to go. Or I need to plan it more effectively. I was going to go the last weekend, but I need to set up some other things. I went a lot of places, though. I need to order shit next time I go somewhere. I need to do it in advance, but I'm not good at traveling in advance. I usually go last minute, which is terrible because I don't like traveling. Can we really get 30% if he won? Yes. I think even more. I don't think you guys realize. I want him to win so everybody sees what it really looks like. It's going to be miserable. You'll see. The only problem is that once you give them power, it's very hard to revert it. So, yeah, but I do think that he will lead to a collapse in prices just in that area. It will even help out other real estate because that money is going to go somewhere else. And people are, you guys don't realize how bad of an idea he is doing. And that's what I'm saying. The big money is not, I talk to people in New York. I know big money. And they're not, most of them are going to get bailed out. That's what I'm saying. He literally has marketed that he is going to use the government money to buy these houses. You know how hard it is to sell a 10, 20 million or $100 million building? You guys have no idea. And then the government is just going to buy it from you for a terrible plan. They love it, bro. So the people who have big money and liquid assets, they're going to love it. And then everybody else who's not aware and all that, it's going to be a bloodbath. And that's what I'm saying. A lot of the middle class people in New York, they're going to get wrecked because of it. And then all these policies, I really want to see it happen. You know why? So that the young, just like everything else we've witnessed in the last 5-10 years, so you get a real life example. But like I'm saying, there's a risk that you cross that line and you can't go back. So we'll see, but I'll be open to it. Here's the part that's crazy that people don't get. Are you ready? All the young guys. If you want socialism, if you want communism, do you want to share, have people pay for stuff, not work, you know what I'm saying? Do you realize that there is nothing stopping you legally for you to organize and do that here in the United States without any changes of law? You guys understand that, right? Why don't you do it? No, serious. So you could literally we could do it on the farm. Do you guys want to try it at the farm? Why don't you guys do it? Come move into my farm and we all pool together resources. You give it to Josh. If you trust me, let me be your Mamdani, and then I'll give you a job. I'll give you food. I get to pick the food. I get to do and all of it, and we could live like that. And I put you guys to work, and you bring back the money, and then we use it for whatever we want collectively. You guys know you could do that without any change of law. So you could actually live like that, just people are not willing to do it. That's what I'm saying. You want people to force it, and that comes with other consequences. But you could actually do it if you really wanted to. Nothing's stopping you. So why don't you do it? That's why I'm down. We could try it at the farm if you guys want to see. That'd be a good reality show. Should we do Communism Season 1? Who's down? Let's see if you could last 3-6 months at cult communism. We'll operate it or I'll nominate one of you guys. I'll give you the land. I'll give you the land, and then you can, that's it. Everybody comes together. You pool everything. Yeah, I'm being serious, though. Why not? I think that'd be fun. Don't let Mr. Beast hear this. Oh, no. All the people with money supporting this is what I explained. If you have hard to sell or because it's so expensive real estate in New York and it's at the highest price possible right now, you would have to lower it if you wanted to sell it. But if a fucking socialist is going to use the government coffers to buy you out, I would support it if I had $100 million building. I would tell you guys, I'll say this is why I support it, but I would support it. I think it's super obvious. Most people don't know. Again, I just watch people blame Donald Trump doing a deal with Argentina, saying that he hated farmers. Meanwhile, we're just trying to get collateral on a really fucked up country and deal right now. So yeah. So start buying in all other major cities? Not quite yet. You have to see what happens. But, because you don't get it. What's going to happen if he wins? Think about it. You don't see it? Just like Battlefield. I had a good spot. Nobody knows where I'm at. I clap, homie. And I tell you, look behind you and duck. Why? What's going to happen next if Mamdani wins? That Jesus would have been a communist? Jesus is a liberal. So, yeah, to a certain degree. But I don't think he would have been a communism. Anything with oppression, forcing. People like to override the freedom my boy used to teach about. There's a big, big difference. But yeah, Jesus is super liberal. Jesus is a very loving guy. No, not the pendulum. What happens? You haven't figured it out? So Mamdani wins, and you're saying buy real estate everywhere else. No. What's going to happen if he wins? Come on, momentum traders. No. My brother, before people can realize it's a terrible idea, the next Mamdani is going to go to fucking Texas. And then California, you already got Gavin. No, the momentum. There's going to be another Mamdani in another state. And if you buy that state, you're fucked too, unless you're already rich supporting them. Ta-da! So yeah, that's why it's going to take time. So don't front run too soon. You might get clapped. But that's kind of that's what happened. You think you're just going to win a fucking socialism of the biggest state in the world? And it's going to stop there? Come on. It doesn't just stop. Yeah, Chicago, San Francisco, Portland, you're going to get a lot of inspired momentum. And then it's going to go to the next place until it stops or until it's too late to back out. That's how you got the first set of spending under Biden. Well, actually, it was Trump and then Biden. So it still works hand in hand. Carry on my wayward long term. Bow now 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 now. Nothing. He has a commission to answer. So listen, I love you guys, but y'all just need to stop being naive, okay? These people are willing and running on these platforms, and they want the power for a reason, because no one's holding them accountable. So that's cute that you would think that, but if that was the case, I don't think they would have forced us inside. If that was the case, I don't think you would have got fired if you didn't advocate for Pfizer and many other things, and even to the things with Trump that you're worried about. So unfortunately, I wouldn't, just like Airbnb, I don't rely on insurance. You know what I'm saying? You should probably look at it from a different perspective. Now. Welcome, Mark Lee. Alright, I like that little melt. They killed some premiums. They're still up, though, from even when they started not being up. They were fucking with you for a little bit. For real manufacturer growth in the US? Yeah, probably with AI, like the robotic stuff. Kind of what Amazon's doing. And then all of these other places that are utilizing, small-scale AI and automation. Jaguar cyber attack to cost UK 2.4 billion. Most economically damaging cyber event. I like the long turn to a brownstone, 5 to 7. Hey man, anything is possible. I like it. House Minority Leader Jeffries hopes to resolve shutdown by end of October. Yeah, it did kind of start under Trump. Well, that's what I'm saying. Trump issued the first money. Trump caved that's it. They scared him. COVID was scary. The pressure of the world, and then he caved. And then he did the fucking money and a lot of other things. but then it got really egregious after they kept doing it when it was unnecessary. Even after we knew. And then I'm saying, bro, 2020 changed everything. It's actually mind-blowing, bro. But like everything. I read a report the other day of people talking about, like, a real scientific report of just how shitty every set of data is since 2020. Ever since the pandemic, education, academics, objectivity, it's all down the drain, bro. Data is unreliable. If you act, that's why somebody was even asking me today, you're like, the data. Dude, it's not the same data I grew up with. It's not the data that got me here, bro. That's the craziest part of all of it. It's just a lot of things diminished since 2020, and like the way society, what we allowed, the consequences, culture, it really, really was terrible, bro. Like, I'm telling you, it's actually terrible. So most data sets across the board, financial to not, it's kind of deteriorated. It's just not been as good. It's not as reliable. I mean, sadly, a lot of your academics betrayed you. These smart people, and like I'm saying, they only want to use critical thinking when it's something they hate. And it's just, it was an unfortunate consequence since all of that. There's a lot of reasons, but like the money, how that impacted people, the political polarization, I mean, the fascism under Biden, and even now the same authoritarianism throughout all of it, and then that people wanted it, allowed it. It was just, I don't think you could actually answer it. That's what the paper discussed, that there's a lot of factors and there's a lot of freakonomics, where it's just like there's some unrelated things you wouldn't really think about. But it was all accumulation of all of it, just created such a it changed the world. I don't think the virus changed the world that much as all of these reactions and what it did to culture and society. Again, even immigration and how people and societies moved and all of that. The peach, it came in early, baby. I was executing a play. Yeah, supply chains for a little bit, but then the second half was very disingenuous. Think about now how you watch the tariff thing play out. And like I said, that tariffs was the new supply chain. And then halfway through it, China starts doing unnecessary shit and then locking everybody up and doing that on purpose. There's so many things happened all around the world. And like I'm saying, money, immigration, without like viewing it in a political lens, it's just like these were big factors and like big changes occurred. And so, yeah, it's fascinating. I can't believe we lived through it. And, you know, some people were everybody got changed by it. So, yeah, it's kind of nuts. Racist bias of AI. Well, I'll just tell you guys this one. No matter if you are not white, you're Arab, Mexican, black, anything, you name it, you don't have to believe this, but I'll give you a little test that you could do. You don't have to really believe it. But if you think somebody's not racist, all you got to do is just tell them that you changed your opinion and then see what they say to you. That's why even if you don't like Trump, he's a great litmus test. Serious. So go tell all your friends that you support Trump now, and then If they're Republican, see if they call you something racist. If they're liberal, see if they call you something racist. You'll see. That's the good litmus test of all of it, sadly. Just tell somebody who's been agreeing with you that you switch sides and see what they say. You don't have to really switch sides, but you might want to after that. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Because y'all don't realize, that's what I got. I got that a lot from people on every side. Whether it was Trump people did it to me, and then the non-Trump people. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. So you're telling me about AI bias and racism. I mean, just, that's a good way to test it. If you really wanted to see, just next time you ever feel doubt and you don't believe me, try it. You'll see. Yeah, even the forecast for surfing. Dude, all data is terrible. You know, I'm glad we have our wire, and I think we could get good info, but even then, I'm very well aware. There's a lot of bias, there's a lot of weird things, and that's why that interpretation it goes a really long way. But it's still just shit. Now. That flower. Where's Beyond? He got clobbed, huh? 8% after being up another 100? All humans are racist, no matter what. I feel you. Tell that to the person who thinks that you agree with them. See what they say. Tell them you disagree and just test it. You guys would be so shocked. Like, that's what I'll tell you. Like, boomers on both sides of the extreme spectrum, they love to tell you to go back to your country once you disagree with what they think you agree with. That's what happened to me. The liberal boomers go back to your country then. And then the Republicans, if they're really, and you say something about go back to your country then. Oh, man. I think it's funny, but it's sad because it's real. It is power hour right upon us. Well, let's see. We got to wait for Trump, but they kind of fucked everything up there. You still could have made money. Premiums are chilling out, but I think you're holding some of the good positioning if it's still there. But other than that, get ready for tomorrow. And again, think about next week too. Well, everybody doubted China data for decades. It's just the irony is we were so arrogant to think that that would never happen to us. Uami, they were clap. Remember, your only antimony one. That's popping. Yo, Uami ripping. Remember, there was a rumor earlier on the, what's it called? On the, was it Omex and those other ones? It was the opinion article. Now. Almost 6%. I don't know if there's a headline. Yeah, it's really going crazy. Why don't you move to communist China then if you want communist? You guys are funny. You guys had some good ones today. And then fucking Jesus flashbang. I love it. My favorite Arab dish? kufta or mochea. I hate tabbouleh. Okay, a little red on the spy. Yeah, 1.8. Oh, the Russell. I feel like it's been there forever. 1.3 Nazi, spy 0.8, Dow 0.8, and then let's see our equal weight. Equal weight not bad at all, but 0.6. It eventually got clapped. But I think the staples are still to the roof. The roof. The long time on fire. Oh, UAMI CEO's on Fox. Well, there you go. Oh, yawning, man. My bad. I haven't looked at gold yet. I think after that glitch, bro, it fucked there. It got exciting, you know, you hit some good plays, but then it just fucking, that was weird for a minute. Yeah, gold is ripping. It's still red, but it's about to go green. CCJ on the high. Kind of looks like a candle. Kind of just melted up there. Honestly, you, and all these other ones. Siggy. Yeah, UAMI's still going. U.S. lifts restriction on use of Western long-range missiles. Yeah, I see that here. So, I mean, because remember, Putin did something pretty, didn't they attack the chemicals plant, or was that Ukraine? But they are escalating still, but that's not, Trump just said you could clap them with that. Show a graph where it stays stagnant, it's more likely to cause a recession. Sounds familiar, but it's not always about just the price movement. I think our work ever since I started the clock, I think you're at a good spot. And I think you'll see very soon, but recession's not guaranteed. It could still be that golden era. Glitch was just a silent circuit breaker. I don't know, man. That was whack. Everybody was weird about that. It dropped. It went up. Source was fucking Reuters. I don't know. It was weird. You had people talking shit in the chat. That's why I was surprised. But then that ended up being one of the best windows. And then it got really intense here as it was glitching. And then premiums are still up, but they're fucking you up right now if you didn't take any money. Down. Oh, hold on. This power hour, give me a sec.
Too close, I think, from a stock perspective to that 2024 high, which is around in the 460s. And so I think that as we go into this earnings call, to kind of build on what Dan was saying, I do think we have like peak EV sales over this quarter will be peak because of those pull forwards, but I don't think that is what's going to move the stock. And just to give some examples, with full self-driving, with the robo-taxis, I saw Sawyer made a really interesting post that in Q3, they announced that when you were using the autopilot, there was one crash every 6.3 million miles. If you look at NHTSA's data with just regular cars, it's one every 700,000. So that's incredible. And so I think that the market's going to want to see, are robo-taxis in Austin and the other cities going to be able to go unsupervised, like Elon said in the summer? You know, and so I think it's going to come down to execution of the robo-taxis in the short term. I also think Optimus, he's done podcasts. Those hands are really hard to get right. I think we're still going to be in that prototype stage as they roll out Optimus 3. So to your point about the stock price, I would add to the position around 390. I do think it's going to be constrained here up around it's at 436, but if it gets to 460, I don't see this quarter being the quarter that it breaks out.
See, Dan, that's so interesting to me because you have somebody who I think in the bigger picture is as bullish as you, but certainly has a more sober view of where the stock currently is, where it's come from, to where it is and where it might go in the near term. So how do you rebut that if you want to?
Yeah, and Bryn obviously brings up great points. I mean, to me, it's really about, look, picking your spots. You know, it's obviously always tough on Tesla. I just view it as the underlying demand is stable relative to China. Margins, as Phil talked about, I think that slight uptick, you know, going forward next few quarters. But Scott, the reality is, like, the autonomous market, I think they're going to own 80% of it, you know, in terms of worldwide. And this now starts, when you look at Optimus, I believe they'll talk about, you know, what's going to be volume production in 2026. And that's why this is the most important chapter ever in Tesla's history. And that's why Musk right now is so engaged. And look, could you miss, like here or there in terms of where the stock's going to go? But my view is this is a stock going to 700 and I think beyond, just given where this now plays in the AI revolution. And I think Tesla continues to be the most undervalued AI name in the market.
Bryn, do you believe that, as Dan does, that the two most important AI plays, I think everybody would be on Team NVIDIA in that conversation, but Tesla?
Well, I think there's more than one winner. I think with the AI, obviously, you know, Jensen's talked about, he's never seen Elon, a company, stand up, you know, what they did for XAI on the AI data center as fast as he did. And so that investors who don't own Tesla miss what Elon and his team do so well is manufacture. And so to me, the company's always been this manufacturing, vertically integrated marvel that just we haven't seen since like the Thomas Edison days. And so I think though that as an investor, though, I try to be pragmatic, is like, if I bought it today, I would definitely sell the 460 calls or the 500, because I just don't think there's enough fundamental energy for the stock to break through. Because right now they're going to have, from an earnings perspective, I think year over year it's going to be down earnings 22%. And so you still have this moment where they're pivoting from the
I'm just waiting on my moment.
Sales that are stable, but the new business, which I don't think is going to have $1 of revenue anytime soon. And so I just think play the
you're
stock
back
that
up
way,
to
sell
VWAP
calls.
and where that
I
all
agree with Dan,
happened.
$600-700. The world is our oyster.
The world will be asking what would have happened if the option chain didn't go down. Well, yeah, we still haven't even heard the answer. You know, for that SPY, dude, I can't. Oh, what? Damn, it actually, dude, it's only down 30. Remember I was telling it went down 20 here, and then they fucking ripped. But yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, I don't know. Give it like 15 more minutes. If those really get cheap, you might be able to double dip if you still believe you're going to get hit with the headline. No, I think most of the earnings, Tesla's today, I believe. But I think you should really be focusing on next week earnings. I think this week, Intel is going to be the biggest one. And then whatever happens with these values, maybe even Decker's on Thursday as well. You have IBM, that's a big one as well. And then SAP, LRCX, Alcoa is tied to the other shit. But yeah, don't get lost in the sauce, baby. Remember what we did last earnings? We kind of ignored it, and that was a great fucking move. So, just be mindful. know what matters and what you're thinking about beyond it. You know, we have great earning strategies and we do really good on earnings, but you got to tie it into everything and think ahead and use the strategies I've given you. This era is wild, I know. But that's what I'm saying, man. Fuck the liberals, fuck the conservatives. We need a good generation. Who's with me? We might have to run, you guys. We might have to all run for office. And our party is on the explicit intent of removing power from government as well as increasing real accountability. That's it. I'm being dead ass serious at this point. Or they just take us out before then and I meet Jesus, which I'm so down with. So either or, brother, either or. But yeah, it's not like, it is wild. Everybody's sold out, dude. All of them, all for money, all of them for whatever weird power. But no, but that's the thing. I had a nice talk. I had a talk, that person I was with this weekend. You know, theoretically, if we ever wanted to do something, they would be a billionaire donor, essentially. And they were even talking to me about it. They were like, "You're gonna get corrupted." That's what they even told me. I said, "What?" They're like, "Yeah, everybody does." That's the sad part, dude. We have turned, and I told them, I said, "No, I want this over. That's it." Because I'm telling you, bro, the sad reality is, like, even for all of you, that's what I'm saying. I love some of you. And I'm gonna make some of you great. I really think so. And I also understand that some of you are gonna turn so corrupt, even after I do everything, even after you do all. I promise you, that's the reality of it. You know why? Because the appetite is real. It's just, that's how it works, dude. And like, you have to. Anybody is susceptible, and there's like you gotta ask yourself. You don't think these people came in on the same intention, running on a good idea and a good cause, and you don't think that they believed? You know what I'm saying? And like, you don't think that they had something, and then you don't realize, like, pressure, money, power, there's so many things, bro. It's just that's what it is. And that's, like, especially with what we've already lived through. So, and that's why, I don't know, I think we need to have a serious talk about it. Like, you guys, especially those and all the people who want to do stuff, businesses, like, I want you all to create businesses. I want you to do things. But last time I didn't really tell you about being corrupted, and I think a lot of people got corrupted. And you have to think about, that's real. You know why? Because I do believe that we shouldn't be corrupted. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to be perfect, but there's a fine line between making mistakes and being corrupt. You know, not even a fine line. It's a huge line. It's easy to see. And but like, if you're not really caring, and before you know it, you don't have foundation, you don't have values, you know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, the CEO is just on Fox. And then it started popping. UNF, be on the lookout. Maybe we get some M&A news here at the bell. But yeah, you are in Power Hour, 45 minutes left. That little freak out messed everything up, and we might have a potential Trump headline on China exports. I mean, even if you find someone without a price, that's kind of what my boy was telling me. He says, I don't have a price now, but it might come later. And I like, that's why I appreciate the conversation, because, you know, I'm not surrounded by people who are going to give me the easy answer. And I like it. I appreciate that, because it is something to think about for everybody. Did they all? Yeah, they all kind of did. And then CCJ and a few others. He's on Fox. I thought he was on right now. If that wasn't it right now, then it's something different. Down now. Nvidia rises. Positive outlook. But that's why too, dude. Can I put it this way? Imagine everything I said to you guys just right there. But are you ready? Politics doesn't matter. So I'm saying, bro, I just want God, and you should too. That's what we need. I'm telling you, the way, the truth, and the light. I can't stress it. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's not I want his ideas. It's not politics. You see what I'm saying? If anything, Jesus came to shit on all of them. He said, and the real politicians, you'll notice, who killed Jesus? It was a politician. He didn't want to kill Jesus. He gave it to the people, but he did what a politician would do. That's why I've never had the desire to run, bro. You don't get it? Like, my mentality, what I believe, I can't do the compromise shit. That's not what we believe. You see what I'm saying? Think about it. The values, what do you mean I gotta, to save one group of people, I have to compromise on fucking over another group? Oh, fuck you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so that's the problem, is that I just think, I think it's bigger than politics, dude. It's above. There's something above politics. It may be the highest law of the land, but give to Caesar what is Caesar's, brother. But I do think we need something bigger. I think something truly valuable and good. And that's, I don't know, man. The more and more, dude, I don't care about me, dude. And that doesn't mean I'm going to give away my stuff. And I mean it in the sense, like, whatever God wants for me, I want. And let his purpose prevail. And whatever he has done is perfect, dude. You know, and I think he's put all of you here. He's given you enough in life, or not enough in life, to get you at this moment. And to really just, it's beautiful. Like I told y'all the other day, and that's why I'm like, man, you know, more and more, less of me, more of him. And I know you've heard that in many ways, but I encourage you to feel it and understand it truly, like what that really is. Like we talked about today, man, you are here for a reason. You have a purpose. You have been sent here. And at the same time, it's like we need to find that out and figure that out. And it's not our ideas aren't going to be his purpose all the time. You know what I'm saying? Even if I have a good idea for politics, if I want whatever's higher than that. And if he has something higher and better, that's what it is. And we should all aspire to that. So, I don't know, man. I can't believe we're here, though. Like, you know, we're the ones in this generation, at this age, at this time. So, you know, let's do whatever we are, and let's fulfill our purpose as we are here and as the Lord provides. Yeah, and I don't know. Can I tell you guys something? Can I give you... I said it to the locked-in guys when we switched to Philo. But, because I don't know. Someone said they're grateful. And I hope you know, some of you have been ungrateful with me. And that's, I think, objective. But I don't really care. Now, doesn't mean I'm going to make changes accordingly. But at the same time, like, I just said it, bro. Like, you could leave the Jesus out of it. You could do a lot of things, man. And I just hope you guys realize, like, being grateful, and I'm not talking about just towards me and this community, everything in life, man. And if you could find ways to be grateful, I hope you guys know it makes you happier. And it's so easy. Yeah, you got Besant comments on China. Are they good or bad? And then oil's ripping. Again, it's been like that all day. But, yeah, dude, just telling you, it's a hack. And it's going to help with happiness, with everything. And anxiety and all of it. Just like if you could really learn to be grateful, and even if you have nothing, even if you have a little, I'm telling you, bro, as if you could really learn to turn on gratefulness in life, and that's what I'm saying, man. I don't want it to be about me. And that Wall Street Journal news is hitting on the missiles in Ukraine. It's crazy. So yeah, bro, just I don't know, be grateful all the time. And the more you could open your mind and heart to being grateful, this goes to all political parties, dude. This is for everybody, all races, ethnicities. I'm just saying, man, it's a good thing, dude. You know, it's a very, very good thing, and it's gonna help you in so many ways, and at least help with this shitty life sometimes, you know. And you'll realize it's not that shitty. And I pray you do see that, so that, you know, no matter how dark the darkness is, brother, you will see the light, and because it's already in you. But be grateful, and that you don't have to be grateful to me, but you know, I'm sure it'll spread. But like I'm saying, try it on any level in your life. It's a habit, it's a practice, it's a value, and it'll be good. Dude, I'm getting old hits on the wire right now. A bunch of news is fucking reiterating everything on the table with talks with China. That's the best in comment. Yeah, oil and gold pop in. Like I told you, give it a little bit more. I'd wait a little, but I'd just keep that double dip idea in mind if you want it. And then if you already have the other volatility ones, you should be good. Substantial increase in Russia sanctions expected today or tomorrow. Yeah, substantial. Oh no, my computer. You guys are gonna clap me. Y'all hear me? Okay, it didn't clap. Oh, I froze up for a second. Is Baba moving on that? It's not even fucking moving. So much time. I'm getting rid of a play. I want to reposition it. I had it on that account. There's a lot of Chinatown, bro. You got rid of the fucking military. Homeboy might have had a stroke. There's a lot of factors there. I'm doing another. It shouldn't have filled that. I think the option chain's still fucked up, dude. On some plays, it all just depends what it is. That's why I saw the other one I want to reposition. I'm looking at another CF on the pickup and sanctions. Yeah, that would make sense. Watch energy. That's something. And now look, MOS and NTR are ripping again. Oh shit. I think that's a delayed reaction. It's gonna fade, but if you could be fast enough, you might have one. Yeah, I'll leave it for you. I'm looking at something else. MOS and NTR on that, yeah. Again, I don't think it'll hold, but I think you're gonna get a little dumb pump on it. Okay. And then watch the staples. That's a good idea. Energy's going nuts off of all of this. Yeah. Remember, you saw the USO move even yesterday. It's kind of been a 2-day if you think about it. And then bonds are coming down. SPY back to VWAP. What a fucking weird day, dude. Fun, though. I had fun. I think we did very well. If Beyond held up, you would have done even better. That was even funny, too. Down now. Now. Hi, my name is Long Term. I'd say I'm it, but I've been that since the beginning. Stephen Curry, I put that inside the long term. Mama, I just turned a dime to a dub. Mind you, I'm walking with my long term in the club. Irritated, but I'm trying not to cuss. Yeah, 29 minutes. I think at this point, you could play the broader plays, watch the rotation, and then just earnings. Today, you only got a couple if you really want them, but actually, how much time we have left? You guys want to play some risk to reward games? Ah! I'd say I'm it, but I've been that since the beginning. Who's the other one? Stephen Curry. I put that inside the long term. You said you got a long term. Show it to me. You guys, I love, dude, remixing rap songs with long-term lyrics is so fun. I don't know if you guys noticed it yet, but it's a blast. You said you got a long term. I'm gonna hold a long term till my hand cramp. It was all a dream. I used to read long-term magazine, saving 10%. I don't. Does anybody drive a limousine? Hanging Watchlist on my wall. Every Sunday, rap attack, Mr. Joshy Marty Mar. I let the long-term stocks to the long-term pop. Oh, okay. I think it's the AWS thing hit. It's not everywhere, but this time it just clapped us on this stuff. Yeah, for stub, I agree. All right, I actually threw in a couple of earnings plays, but very, very small. Ayer. In the ayer. All right, guys. Well, I think that's it. You're ripping back up again. The other dailies, if you didn't make them freer, they had a little bit of time. And then volatility plays are even, they've came back down. They're actually holding a good level, but yeah, if you didn't make any free, you gotta wait till the next one now. They actually didn't go down though. They went down from the gains, but yeah, they're still kind of up. And what a fucked up day, dude. That premium move is wicked. That move was wicked. How they slowed it down, like that got in the way. Those premiums were building very nice. But then again, things did change. OMAB on the high, IPI, and chat. You have 20 minutes, so you should wrap it up. Well, guys, I don't know if you know what I'm about to do right now, but I think it's time. I'm gonna play a game of Battlefield real quick. I don't think you're telling me AWS again. I think we got good positioning and now we wait. IBMizzle. IBMizzle. I can say I'm it, but I've been that since the beginning. You don't want them to copy them? Well, don't post what you do. Okay, if you weren't such a good producer, I wouldn't let that slide. So keep that in mind to avoid that. So if you don't want anybody to copy you, don't tell them what you did. Yeah. Well, even then, just the influence, like I'm saying. It's not specific. People don't do it, unfortunately. I'm gonna play Battlefield, but like you guys, it's actually very educational because I'm a sniper. So you guys need to learn the game. I mean, I think it's good. I like the action. I just don't think. I think it's now about earnings. We talked a little bit about looking ahead. Even my volatility play is perfect right now. We made them free. We got paid out. But, like, they didn't go down. That's what, like I told you, I observed how they were being weird around here. So, you're going to get Trump after the bell, and then you'll get these earnings. And then from there, we're going to, yeah, we're going to do our thing, bro. Watch out. It's going to take up the whole screen here in a second. I gotta. There you go. Instead of bonds, you get Battlefield. AUDV. And if you guys don't want to do this, you could leave, or I could just turn it off and keep it on the what's it called, the locked in. They love it when I do this. They pay me to do this. Isn't that crazy? Oh shit, you're already in my game? Oh, let's go. Oh shit. We already got Chads in the house. Fuck yeah, dog. Oh my, I got a full party! You guys are disgusting. Oh, look at, bro, they're already in here. I got a whole fucking, oh my gosh, we're gonna ball. Hold on, let me fuck with my loadout real quick. And then you're right, VWAP coming down. I could do all of it, Chad. You have no idea. No, they don't feel me. I don't know if I unlocked anything. Break. I need that suppressor, dude. You know what I'm saying? I gotta keep it low key. Oh, I could get a fast bag. I don't have any upgrades, dog. Alright, I'm down. Excess. You motherfucker, if y'all let me hit. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna get him back. Oh, I don't know what happened. Oops, sorry, the battlefield got in the way, y'all. All right, yo. Oh, wait, what the fuck? I need to redeploy. That's exactly what they do on live TV, huh? All right, yo, if motherfuckers, we better get the objective, okay?
Our forces have neutralized Delta.
Hold on, I need to get my news wire up, and they trying to bomb me, dude. Hey, yo, left, dog, left.
We've taken Delta.
Oh, they're behind us? I have terrible.
We've begun our assault on Echo.
Why can't I see them? There it is. I think you could just join the game, yeah. I used the 6x scope. I need another one though. Dude, I need to like get fucking unlocks. I don't have shit, dude. And listen, I ain't gonna add you unless I see your name in the chat. But you're gonna have to wait, bro. Because I'm looking at news and shit too, believe it or not. So I don't have time to put, I don't have enough RAM for memorizing it. Later though. Might be online. I'm gonna snipe the fuck out of him. Oh shit.
Objective Delta has been neutralized.
Smelt him. You say stop loss? You heard that, right? Are we taking over everything? right, defend D then. We're about to take E. Let's go. Critical. We never win, you guys. This is... Oh, my bad, tank. Sorry. Watch out. He saw me. He's going to turn around and try to bomb us. See? Defense, Chad. Defense. Positioning. This is all stock shit. UAV. You scan it. You see it. You put that drone down. Hit it. Oh, they got the tank on the thing. There's 2 tanks on E.
Be advised, we've lost control of objective Echo.
Oh, they got Echo as a fucking tank. Philo, is it still? Again, those plays yesterday. I know that Philo Morris and all the staples were a good one. So I'm telling you, I think you guys could have prepared for it. What the fuck is that?
Our attack on Echo is underway.
Got him. Got him. Pop your head out, dog.
Move to attack the marked objective.
Oh, he sees me. He gonna bomb me. Dip out. Yep. See that? That's what I'm saying, bro. You give up your... You get exposed, just move, dog. Just move. They don't feel me. Make them find you. I don't even know where I'm getting shot from. Oh, is that a tank? See, and then duck. Look at that. That's all you gotta do. I ain't gotta fight him. Watch out. Yo, Xerxes, look to your fucking right. Oh, it's a tank.
We've lost objective Delta.
We have Echo yet? TTC on the low, only 50 lows. They're all going to eat. Options versus stock. Sometimes you gotta use the pistol. They don't fucking feel me. You gotta know your environment. Okay. Now you get out. That was too risky. Get out. Get away from it. Yeah, I see him. I'm up behind him. I gotta get out of there. I need to go inside. You're still at B-Rock, dog? You didn't do a shit? Oh, you got him, bro? I wanted some of these.
I've got a visual on an enemy field bearing north. Our forces are attacking objective Charlie.
There, Charlie. You want the battlefield bigger? Well, that's... I didn't see that coming. I want you to still see the bonds, though. Yeah, bro, we need the bonds. At least you can see here if it goes up or down. Why'd it get so calm?
We've taken objective Charlie.
Woo!
Hostile attack launched on Delta.
They're coming for you. You did. Oh, I think they got out of the whip. They're gonna follow. Alright, he's right here. Oh, come on! We had him. BMR, a couple of things are actually tweaking, even Amazon. You guys can still revive me. Dog, I hate hearing my voice through your fucking Xbox. I sound so annoying. Jeez. It sounds so much sexier in real life. You guys have no idea. No, it's a sniper, dog.
Objective Delta is under our control.
Oh, how do I get to the top of this one?
Be advised, defensive position needed on the marked objective. Alright, all forces are still winning. Good work.
How do I go up?
The enemy is attacking Alpha.
There's not like, what's it called? There's not, yeah, there's no zip line.
Hostiles now hold objective Echo.
Oh, I don't see it. I'm following you, Shenko. Oh, nice. Dude, what a hidden zip line. Yo, fucking sniper. Yo, they're taking A? I think A's cleared out, you guys. Oh, you got one guy in the building there. On the floor. Other than that, A. Oh, there's one. Oh, you're good.
Attack support needed on the marked objective.
Oh, they're all at me. You got A back, right? Oh, that guy's on that thing? Yo, there's a guy on the little thing in the middle. Oh, I was gonna take him out.
We're still ahead in the fight. Maintain your attack.
Y'all get that dude? Man, y'all just taking I want to get one. Nah, bro, I don't want to tell you guys the hack. I hacked my sniper. My sniper zeroes in automatically. I can't say too much. Or EA, the Saudis bought EA, dog. Oh! The Lord is with me. How did I stay alive? Oh, they got a sniper down there. They get behind me? Who the fuck shot me? Oh yeah, shit, Chad. The time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You only have 1 minute! Go, 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 go. Think about the earnings tomorrow. Think about the earnings today. And that's it. AMC Professional Sports Rights.
Delta's been lost.
Alright guys, that's it.
We need attack support on the marked objective.
That's it, bro. GG's. I'm gonna finish this up. We'll throw up IBM. I think that's the only one that really matters. gotta go, you gotta go. I'm gonna finish this game. I might play another. And then I gotta go. And then I'll see you tonight or not. It is a Wednesday.
I'm here!
I got you, Pete. I got you.
Come on!
How did I not get him? Get that guy. Oh, he got me. I botched that. Traveling back in time. Good game, baby. It was a good day. That was a little whack what happened there at the end. But other than that, you know, we'll see. Oh, you got me too, bro. There you go. Dividend.
Enemy attack Lone Storm Bravo.
Oh, he got me again. Oh, Tesla, but they're usually, it'll just be about margins, unfortunately. Got me again. I love it. I be checking news and they revive me. Usually I don't revive.
We've lost control of Bravo. Echo is being captured by hostiles.
Oh, I'm so exposed right
The
now.
enemy has secured more objectives. Let's rally and counterattack.
Oh, I should have hailed. Oh, A-Rab. Wasn't that the one we talked about? Oh, no, I was thinking of somebody else. That was Q-Rab or something. Something Rab. Well, Chad, I hope you have a good day. I'll stay. I mean, I'm playing Battlefield. I'm not going anywhere. I mean, the shit will come up on the wire if something's big, but... Yeah. American Rebel Oldies.
Our forces have neutralized Bravo.
Jeez, bro. Other than food, I mean, Seaport Village is nice. Downtown, SeaWorld, it all depends travel, but a lot of good food. And then the beach. Go to Del Mar or La Jolla, bro. We actually have some of the best beaches. You don't have, like... It's not like a LA beach where you'll get, like, stabbed with needles. It's actually, like, nice. You said, what did you just say? Yeah, Carlsbad has good beaches. There's a couple of good food spots. I think Genge Jolie. I can't even say it. Oh, I just got popped. There's a French place. I think. Oh shit. Oh, dude, I forgot. Yo, the guys on fucking Locked In. All they had was Battlefield. Oh, I forgot. I was only adjusting the other one. Sorry, guys. My bad. Besant meeting with counterpart this weekend.
We are attacking objective Delta. Enemy attack confirmed at Charlie.
Oh, that wasn't a headshot? That's crazy. Oh, and then he pops me. Nice. The Trump news conference, there's Tesla. If he comes on, I'll be here.
Bravo has been neutralized.
Let me see. I don't see it, honestly. Usually they have it live by now. Yeah, La Jolla's super nice.
Bravo is under our control.
Del Mar too. Beaches, food, and then like SeaWorld. I don't know how down you are with that.
Hostiles now hold more objectives. Out.
Nice.
Objective Delta neutralized.
How did that not hit him? God, how did none of that hit him?
We're ahead in the fight. Let's maintain control.
I need the 50 cal, bro. I'd be a threat. Tesla moved around SPGX and Las Vegas Sands. I think that came out. That's ripping. Oh, Mission Beach is actually pretty dope too because you could do the boardwalk. You got some cool stuff there. Oh, he just someone said. That's where he's at. Dog, how does that not hit him? You guys not see this? There you go. Or maybe I just gotta go slower. Oh, I got another sniper aiming at me. Get him, Franco. He's looking at me. There you go. Yeah, fuck him up. Oh, I hit that dude. Oh, I'm naked now? Fuck.
We got our assault on Charlie.
IBM Mizzle. Is it out? Yeah, there's Tesla numbers. IBM 184, adjusted 265, net 174. I don't think it's too bad. Margin 57.3, infrastructure 3.6. I don't see any crazy guidance there yet. But yeah, IBM is out. It was a little pop. It looks like to be slight. I don't have the estimates. All I have is Battlefield, but... All right, man, enjoy it. You have a good one. Where's Mr. Trump? Meets with NATO Mark Rutte. I don't know. I think that might be a dud, to be honest. It doesn't look crazy. Sanctions. Besant comments, too. Urging allies in Canada. Dude, I kind of want to see if I could, what's it called? I want to see if I can change my... I like this map a lot.
Mission objectives are confirmed. Capture
You guys want to see me crash a helicopter?
Let's go. Attack order received.
I think the ones next week, and then think about it. Some of these post earnings, we saw it today. They're pretty solid. Why is it so hard to try, dude? Why am I driving left?
Attention! Our troops have secured Echo.
Attention, move to attack the marked objective.
Aircraft fueled and ready. Pilot
Oh. I'll accept him after. Yeah, what's your gamer tag, Patriot? Yo, fucking revive me, dog. I'm right there. USDA to be enforcing compliance with product of USA meat and poultry label from January 2026. Alcoa, they had earnings. They're getting clapped. I'm not checking any of the numbers. You guys got to do that. Oh, I got 2 of them with that.
I need a fucking medic! Marked objective is under threat. Defend the position.
So they, yeah, right? They weren't enforcing it before? What? That's one standard on IBM already? Didn't seem like that.
Objective Charlie has been seized by hostiles. Be advised, you're leaving the combat area.
I got him. So we should get C. Come on, get the whole crew, dog. Where you at? Fucking him up. I need to tell me.
Okay, that's confirmed. Enemy Philo operating in your area.
Oh, they got me. I fucked them up. I know it is wild beyond close negative, if you think about it. Yeah, IBM was 260 versus 240, 16.3 versus 16.1. Software in line, consulting in line, free cash flow, slight beat. Guidance, full year free cash. It actually didn't seem bad. An SAP came out. CNC, something's happening with insurance companies. Okay, they're right there. Can't get up. Right here. I have a fucking thing right here. Yeah, you can fucking bomb it. Where are? Oh, they got a tank and a guy right here. Oh, I find it. Southwest again. The health insurance. Molina CNC. We didn't get on C.
We are tracking you outside the combat zone. All units, mission is still on target. Good work.
Yeah, they're all on that rock. And they got a tank coming. Got him! Fucking idiot. Alright, they're coming up the other side. And they still got the tank and their little snipers.
Hostiles are attacking objective Echo. Marked objective is under threat. Defend the position. We have lost control of Echo.
Tactical AF. Why you acting like you haven't seen me in the market for a minute?
Our troops are attacking
Oh, you
Echo.
got me? I was looking at the chat. Oh! Thought I had it.
Our troops are attacking
25 million to help Alaska recover from the typhoon.
We've neutralized Delta.
Oh, they got us at sea, but we're gonna get back.
You're exiting the combat zone. Turn back now.
We now hold more objectives. Secure our defenses. Attack support is needed on the marked objective.
Be advised, hostiles have seized Delta. You're leaving the battlefield. Return to combat.
Why did it say I could go up there?
Okay, be advised, enemy tank operating in your area.
Oh shit! No, no, no!
You're exiting the combat zone. Turn back now.
We gotta tank them. I botched it. There you go. I don't want to fall.
We're still winning the fight. Our strategy is working.
Ow! Who the fuck shot me? Yeah, he was on the cross. Honeywell announces structure out of aerospace spinoff. This is kind of what the farm looks like, yeah, I guess. Whoa, why did it spawn me down here? Yeah, they flanked us. Okay. Nice.
More objectives. Move to attack the marked objective.
What the fuck was that? Did I get hit by the barbed wire? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, get E. That's a long one.
I spotted a hostile helicopter.
We have initiated our attack on Echo. Hostile forces are attacking Charlie.
DBRG? Yeah, that's the one. That's the
We have
Elon
secured
one.
Charlie.
It's just gonna do that every other week. So yeah, it died a little bit.
Defensive position is needed on the marked objective.
Pumpers will pump.
Attention. Our troops have lost objective Charlie.
CNC, I want to say earnings. They got clapped. Yeah, DBRG. You still have some of those, I think.
Be advised.
Oh,
hostiles are
D-Nut, bro?
engaging
No
objective
love?
Foxtrot.
Yeah, there's no more watch list till the end of the year. There'll be random videos for after hours for the locked in people. And then in the morning, I'm live at 6 a.m., but only for the locked in people. So you could thank Michael and many, many others. But I want to go back to free, but I've been saying that all year. I just don't think people, not too many have met me there. So let's make it happen.
Attack support is needed on the marked objective. We are targeting objective Delta.
See, I usually do. I think he might still be able to get me. Yep. Oh, he's behind us. guys, we just got mollywopped. We're still winning, though. We need to get these territories. Low key. Oh, the wall. They said the wall. I was gonna say, bro, what? They said the Wall Street Journal news is fake. They took F. That's wicked. Vantage 15-day Stargate Hub in Wisconsin. Everyone rush C. You should.
Objective.
Yeah, bro. They just pushed us right there. We need C.
It looks like a hostile helicopter in the mission area. Outside the combat zone.
Fuck. I'm trying to help him. Nothing.
You're leaving the battlefield. Return to combat.
Fannie Mae CO Peter Aquabaugh.
We're engaging objective Charlie.
Wait, is Trump live? Let's see, because he's calling this stuff fake. I think he might be. Oh. Where is he? Yeah, but he is saying that the Wall Street Journal long-range missile thing was fake. Okay, bro. I'm never spawning with you again. Dog, we were winning. They got the territory. I got another tank coming.
We have experienced a mission setback. Refocus and fight back.
Oh my gosh, he came over right in front of me. I hit him too! Come on! Fuck out of here. I'm Mark Wahlberg with this shit, dog. You know what I'm saying? My fucking Mark Wahlberg in there. Fucking my teammate got me. He gonna tank me.
We have initiated our attack on Echo.
Yeah, he got me. Mark, oh, thank you. What a G, bro.
Hostile forces are still controlling the fight. Break their hold. We're engaging objective Echo.
How'd I not kill him? Fuck, dude. That was a good game. Damn, guys. I fucked them up. Oh, save. 20 savior kills? How'd I get 20 savior kills? Oh, I'm sick with it. Why are we all snipers? Are we? Oh, factory. I look like a sniper. That was good, though. All right, Chad. I gotta go. Go get me some food. That was fun. I told you. It was very tactical. Yeah, bro. We were just playing. I mean, dude, they fucking glitched everybody at the fucking end of the day. So why wouldn't I play Battlefield? So, yeah. Oh, yeah, here. Let me add you guys. I'm gonna leave to the menu. Who's who? What's your gamer tag? Patriots. And everyone else. But yeah, if you want, I have to see you in the chat. You have to let me know what your name is. So I got Merc, JJ, Rice Lady, Patriot. Is that you, Patriot? I'm assuming you're Patriot KP. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that's you. A snowplow man, I got you. I need to see you guys in the chat, unfortunately. Otherwise, I will add you once we go through our next round of unbans, if we ever do that. Like I said, man, you cannot get banned and then play video games. That's not how we work here, unfortunately. Because you guys don't realize people will join my games and annoy me. So, I don't know who's who, bro, and there's thousands of people. I don't see Aaron Delgado or conditions. I think oh, there you are. I got you. Baka 242. Baka not nice. Let's see Baka. I don't see a Baka. I see Jerome Powell. Who else is there? Anybody else? Elite Gamer. I don't see you guys on here. Top choice. Okay. Oh, I see Jews. I think I just gotta. I need to decline all of them. Merc. Brown Tom Cruise, I know you. Anad. And make sure you're adding me on Battlefield. There you go. I see you. Elite Gamer. I think didn't I just add you? Oh, I saw it. Yeah, see? Look, there you go. All right, I just added a bunch of y'all. Yeah, you could join up too if you ever see me on. Just hit me up, son. All right, last call. I was just on your name, top choice. Oh, nice. There you go. Patriot, I added you, I think. Yeah. I don't see an ad. Here. I'm declining them all. And then we could do this easy. All right. So now add me. I'll do it for a minute and then I gotta go. You have to add and I see it. Have you seen the pinned comment? I wouldn't waste your $50, brother. I wouldn't waste your $50. Sinai, got you. Beautiful. Well, I'm leaving in a minute, you guys. So finger to the sky. To God be the glory. And for real, I mean, dude, if you've been here, I would love to play with you. That's what I'm saying, man. If you guys have been here, and even if you've been banned, like I said, I'm going to get the guys who haven't been banned first, and then we'll be able to work our way. That's what I was saying, bro, with everything, whether it's free or not. Like, do you guys just realize there's thousands of people? I know that YouTube fucking doesn't show you all of the data, but, like, that's what it's just thousands. Dude, it's a lot. So I do think we need to prioritize the people who have not been banned, the people who are here, all of that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, dog, I hope you feel me. Merc, got you. Okay. With Pegastos. Oh, you mad, bro? I see. Oh, you mad? Okay. All right, man. Last ones, and I gotta go. Finger to the sky. To God be the glory. And through the grace of God alone, Chatadonia. Enjoy your evening. I might see you tonight. I might not. And enjoy. I love you all. Amen. And yeah, bro. Grateful. Not grateful for Josh. Not grateful for the stream. I mean, every little thing, bro. And you'll find it. You'll find peace. You'll find happiness. That is the seed to it, my brother. It starts with grateful. What do you think the seed to unhappiness is? Well, there you go. There you go. So I love you. God bless you. Finger to the sky. And also, be the bread, brother. The power is within you. Peace. Exactly. Are we going to battlefield or are we going to battle real estate? Exactly. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.